Hello everyone and welcome to 112 Sunnybrook Circle, located in Life Village in Ormond Beach, Florida. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath manufactured home built in 2023. Walking up the covered carport area right here. It's your screen room. Stepping around the side here. Nice size storage shed. Electric. Let's take a step inside and check it out. Right through here is your washer and dryer. Said everything in this home is a 2023. Here is your kitchen, dining room area. Down here on this side of the home is your first bath, full-size tub. Your first bedroom, walk-in closet, here is your second bedroom, also with a walk-in closet. Here is your master bedroom. Also with a walk-in closet and an ensuite with the walk-in shower. So come on down, check it out. It is 112 Sunnybrook Circle in Life Village in Ormond Beach, Florida.